Probably a good time for me to stop casting now, cause fish on. This one feel a little better. Bar jack. Oh, let me show you the bar jack. See him there? Fish on, guys. Nice little yellow jack. See him there? Him kinda small still, so look at him. Really small. Up. Fish on, guys. Just wrap me around a rock, you know. Don't feel too bad still. Come on. See me right this side. Go and come drop the lure. Fish on, guys. Fish on again. Feel like another jack. I want to borrow the right behind him, you know. I'm borrowed the right behind him a while ago, guys. Blue runner.